Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my my everyday makeup routine. I'm kind of in a rush, so yeah. First things first, I use Got To Be gel on my brows. I cannot find my Morphe brow pencil, but that's what I usually use. I use the Morphe brow pencil in Java, but right now I'm just gonna use this NYX micro brow pencil. It might be a little too light, but it doesn't matter because my hair is blue today, so I feel like I don't mind if my eyebrows are pretty light. It's Cheyenne from the future, and I'm interrupting this video to talk about Dossier. I've talked about Dossier on my channel before, so we're gonna talk about it again. Basically, it's this perfume company that sells perfumes inspired by like really popular high-end perfumes. Anything you name, they probably have. Like every time I'm looking for something, they have everything. They have Baccarat Rouge, Cloud by Ariana Grande, Bon Bon, Victor and Rolf. They have a whole bunch of perfume. Also, they have this really cool system where they send you a sample and then the perfume bottle, and if you don't like the perfume, you can literally just send the bottle back and get your money back. Usually I'm more of like a fruity scent kind of girl, but right now I've really been liking this one. It's called Powdery Hawthorn, and it is inspired by Tom Ford. I do not know how to say this. I'll put it on the screen, but yeah, it's inspired by Tom Ford, and I feel like it's a very mature scent. I don't know, I usually like fruity things, but this one I'm just like, it's giving adult, and I just turned 22 like 3 months ago, so I gotta be mature. I also have a coupon code. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. All of the links will be down below. So yeah, make sure you guys go check out Dossier. And now we can get back into the video. Okay. So yeah, I kind of just like stick them up. Oh my god, I need to hurry up before my family eats without me. By the way, it's Thanksgiving. I don't know if I said that. So happy Turkey Day. Okay, update, I am not feeling this brown. So, and now I'm using Sephora brow pencil in Granite. Jesus, who bought this? I know it wasn't me. Granite, that's so dark. Okay, this works though. I'm not mad at that. We'll take it. Hey, I just did my hair. Period. Okay, unfortunately, my eyebrows can just never look the same, so like I end up bubbing with a buddy. They look microbladed, right, y'all? What's next? What do I do next? I conceal. So I'm concealing my brows with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel, and I'm mixing it with Walnut, same concealer. I kind of like shaved like the ends of my brows a little bit because I wanted more straight like brow moment. Okay, if you notice my eyebrows aren't similar at all, just know that they grow differently. Like, just mind your business. Now I'm moisturizing my face with Nivea. I just got my nose pierced, y'all. Oh my god, this is the first time of me doing my makeup with it pierced. I just realized that. Now I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Primer. I don't use a lot of this because I feel like it like flakes around my nose. I'm going to get my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel, and I'm putting it under my eyes. And like Jackiana taught me, I let this dry a little bit before blending it, because if not, then it moves everywhere and then you're like, you know, you don't have any coverage. Now I'm going in with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Walnut, and I kind of just like cover my blemishes. You guys, this is my favorite concealer of all time. Nothing has matched my undertone as good as this. It's the GOAT. I use like a lot of different shit on my face because I have to get my color correct. I'm going in with the Fit Me concealer in the shade 45. I don't really use foundation on my face because I don't know, it's just like not working for me these days. But yeah, I use this because it's a little darker. And now I'm gonna blend. I swear by this Real Techniques brush. I don't even use beauty blenders anymore. I literally just use this. This actually doesn't hurt, like going over the piercing. See? Isn't that just like the perfect shade? Whatever excess is on the brush is what goes on my forehead because I don't know. Like for some reason, if I put makeup on my forehead, it just looks like a mask. You know? The girls who get it, get it. But yeah, look at that. You don't have to blend a lot when you like leave the concealer on for a while because like boom, it just like melts into your skin better. I'm using, I lost the cap to this, but this is the Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent honey. Also I don't really like bake my face. I kind of like push the powder in. I don't know if that counts as baking or what, but okay, now I'm going like around my chin area with this, above my lip. I'm using this contour palette by Alamar Cosmetics. It's called Hydration Palette. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's like the darkest one. I use these two colors mixed to contour. I stole this from my sister, by the way, but it's so good. I'm pretty sure it's like a smaller brand, so I don't know if y'all ever heard of them, but go check them out. Bringing back some warmth into my, oh Jesus. Yeah, that really needs to get blended more. I'm not even gonna add more on the brush. How I contour my nose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the powder with this Real Techniques fluffy brush. And kind of when I'm like dusting off the powder, I feel like my nose contour just ends up like blending out. I don't know. Now I'm going back in with my concealer brush. Period. Again, Alamar Cosmetics blush palette. I don't know what this palette is called because I don't speak Spanish. But yeah, it's this one. I'm using Dossier and a little bit of this. I like to put my blush really high, kind of like into my contour or highlight, I guess. And then a little on my nose. And then I don't really use highlighter. I kind of just use this Mario Makeup by Mario palette. I use these three colors like on my finger and I just like put it on my nose. And I put a little here. Yes, get into it, yeah. I go in with eyeliner. I usually use the tattoo liner by KVD Vegan Beauty, but my friend left this here and it's pretty good. It's Stila, so that's what I'm using today. And I kind of just do inner corner eyeliner, which is like really hard for me, no lie. Sometimes I do like a wing, but that's usually only when I'm wearing lashes, and I don't think I want to wear lashes today, so no wing. Boom. There's the eyeliner. And then I'm gonna use, what the fuck? The Better Than Sex mascara. Now, time for my favorite part. I'm using the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter. Okay. And then I use Medusa by Huda Beauty. And I put very little on my lips, like. And I just. And that is my everyday makeup routine. I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to set my base. And that is it. I'm gonna go eat my Thanksgiving food now. Actually, I'll put on an outfit and then do the outro. And then I'll go eat my food. Be right back. And this is the outfit, guys, for Thanksgiving. Pants. But this is the final look. Are we loving it? Do we hate it? Make sure you guys check out Dossier. All of the links will be down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.